What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just vlogs now.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, the Ariel, of course, and if you guys are new, welcome to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can be a part of the family, along with the notification bell so that you guys are updated every time I do upload. Now let's get to this video. Alright, so today guys, we have finally got to it. You've been with me shopping, you saw the stuff that I bought. Now it is time to actually put together this tree. Like, I am excited. Like, look at this tree. It's so cute and it's mini. Like, oh, look at that. Oh my god, like, it's so cute. Okay, so yeah, we're about to put together this tree, and we're going to see what decorations go on it and what decorations don't go on it, because I did kind of buy a whole bunch of decorations, but I'm looking at the tree and looking at this like, maybe those were for regular size trees. Like, look at this. I don't know. It might be cute if it hangs. I don't know, because it's a little bit weighted, so we're going to see. So yeah, but yeah, let's go ahead and put together this tree. Alright. Simple. Simple, simple. Okay. Don't want to go in. There we go. It's amazing. Alright, so I guess I'll put it on this side. Follow up moment. No, I'm just playing. Alright, let me get to it. Oh, see, this feels good. This feels okay because this is like separating one tree branch on a big tree. So yeah. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Alright, okay, I see you, little tree. I see you. There we go. And this looks like it should be over here because it's okay. Okay, it looks like they put some to like go in between. Okay. Alright, so here's the tree. But yeah, okay, I see a little tree. Alright, and then I have these. So I'm going to put these on. Actually, let's put on the lights first. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, when you guys do set up your tree, do you guys put the lights on first or last? I don't know. I've just always been the person to put on the lights, but before we had the tree that actually lit up itself, and then after those lights broke on the tree, we kind of just bought like a net and just kind of like threw it on there and then decorated that. So always made sure the lights was on first. But yeah, here are the lights. Oh, they're so cute. So yeah, let's see. Okay, start on the top. I'm gonna start at the top. Usually I start at the bottom, but since this is going to go on a table, I think I should start at the top, because then I have to let the extension run, run down the back so that it's able to reach an outlet, or the extender for the outlet, extension cord for the outlet. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is going to be so cute. Bam. Here, I'll put it. Okay, so now we can open these and just start sorting them out.
Yeah.
Well, actually, before I do those, I don't know how it keeps in it. I kind of want to see how these will look on there. Even though these be like, say the best for last, before you put on like, before you put on the actual tree topper, the star at the top of the tree. But I kind of want to see how these will look on here. Okay. Like that one right there. Oh, see? That's already too far. What if I put it right here? Okay. We got a little thing going on, y'all. Okay. Okay. So right now, I'm going to do one of each just to see how they look. Alright, then the snowflake. Step. Okay. Yep. And then... Okay, so I do know that those are good. And then I have this. I wanted to definitely see how this fits and where I can put it. I don't know. I just really like it. And I'm going to make it work. I'm going to make this work. It might be too huge for this, but I'm going to make it work. Like, it belongs on here. It's just so cute. It's just so cute. Now we're going to open these because instead of using the little stringies, I feel like that's just so much work. No. Yes. Easy. Open, push in, stick. Okay. Okay, there we go. Simple as this. Stick in. Place. Squeeze. There we go. Ooh, we making progress. See, this is so simple. So simple. Alright. Ooh, camera cut off. But yeah, it's 3 different ones, so I can place them like in the same section, and then I can move on to another section. So yeah, I love that the silver ones are like that. So I was trying to find gold ones like that so it's easier for me to spread them out, but I didn't. So you get what you work with. It was either get these colors or these color gold ones, or they were gold ones that look like that, and I was like, I kind of like this kind of gold, so that's what I went with. But yeah, tell me, you guys, what's the best part of like decorating a tree? Like, do you guys like putting on the lights, putting it up? Do you guys like putting on the balls, or like putting on the decorations? Do you guys have like childhood decorations on your tree, or are they all like store-bought? On my mom's tree, we have them like all the above, store-bought and childhood decorations that me and my sister did when we were younger. Like in school, you know how the kids have all those little different arts and crafts and stuff? They're all over the tree. So yeah, she has those. But yeah. But yeah, let me know what you guys like putting on your tree. And usually when I'm putting up a tree, I'm listening to some Christmas music or having a good jolly time. Actually, listening to Christmas music and having a good time, singing along with my family members, everything. So yeah, that's what I usually do on Christmas. We'll probably do that when I go to my mom's house, help her set up the tree and stuff like that. They just love my help. I'm like the creative brain in the family. Like, they just wait on De'Ara for everything. I'm cool with that. But yeah. Oh no. Do some more silver. Okay. Yep. Then put this one over here on those. Bam, bam. Okay. Right. Up there. Bam. Okay. Yeah, so just about to put these balls on the tree. And think of Christmas music in my head as I put them on the tree. Better not pout, better not. Oh shoot, what's that? How the song go? I'm up here trying to sing it. Who's naughty or nice? Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh man, guys, I wish I was like a singer. I wish I could hold like a tune. Trust me, I'll be all up in the music industry, but they ain't ready for De'Ara. They ain't ready for my tone deaf self. They're not ready. But yeah. Bam. And these gold ones. I guess I did need all these bulbs. They knew the amount to give De'Ara. Like they knew, it was like, De'Ara, you need this amount. You need this. I guess I did. Okay. What? So I'm picking up this one that fell on the floor and I'm going to put it somewhere. I'm just trying to figure out where. It's like everything is already in pretty good spots. Around the top. Bam. Cute. So now I can put this on. This star, which is so cute. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna look. Oh, this got some glitter falling off of it too. Everything just keep, jeez. Sprinkle some love on your life. Love and joy. Okay. How these things usually, I think they bend over. Okay, let's see. Let's do that. Let's see if that's thick enough. Okay. Bam. And there we go. It's amazing. Okay. So how do y'all like my tree? I think I did quite nice. Yes. Okay, look. Thumbnail. But yeah, how y'all like this tree? I feel like it came out really well. Even all those big pieces, they really fit on there. I really could see this reindeer, but it blends. I love it. I am proud of myself in this tree. So yeah, tune in tomorrow, guys, for my vlog tomorrow. That you're gonna see the whole setup, everything else that I bought. I'm gonna just put stuff around. I'm not really like decorating like bam, 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 bam. But I am about to be decorating my house. I bought a lot of cute stuff, so look for that, and then look for this setup. I'm gonna even plug it up tomorrow. So stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 4. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys haven't already, go and look at my other Vlogmas videos. They will be attached at the end of this one, and probably in this card right here. So yeah, go ahead, go check it out, and I will see you guys over there. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
So right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.